We're on to stage 2 of our build, sorting out the foundations. To do this, we're having to set aside the stone to access the ground, make it level, and dig the trenches for the foundations. And as nice as it would have been to keep all the stone up, now that the outside level is revealed, we can see from the end of the visible stone to the newly leveled ground is just dirt. We had discussions about possibly underpinning, where you support the upper layers while you work underneath, and other options as well, but none were completely safe, financially viable, or even best for the longevity of the building, so we're making the difficult decision to do it this way. And it's sad to see it come down, but it is going to be so much better when we put it back. So the team will carefully move the stones away, get rid of the raised dirt, to create a strong, long-lasting foundation before putting the stones back in place with fresh mortar. End of day 3, and they've started clearing some stone. So it looks a little bit different than yesterday. There's our front door on the other side of the house. There's the lean-to you didn't used to be able to see from outside. Yeah, that's what they've done so far. Yeah. I'm going to give you a little walk through and where the front door is going to be. And if I take a couple of steps, and then to the left here, right there is going to be a bathroom door. And then I take a couple more steps forwards, and there's going to be a door for where Dan's office is going to be. And then if I look forwards, this space here, there's going to be a door for utility room. So I turn 90, and the stairs are just going to be here. And so if I walk down the hallway, I then get into where the living room and the kitchen are going to be. So just stepping in, we'll probably put the sofa about here. And then there should be room for a small island there, and then some counter space along the edge. Yeah, it feels really weird actually being in it and picturing where everything is going to go. But yeah, I'm very excited, and this is day 3. Next day of moving the stones, and all I can say is prepare yourself for the difference you're going to see. We took the roof structure off the lean-to for safety reasons, but we've managed to work out a way to keep the entire lean-to wall up and just deal with its foundations later. Goodbye, front door. And now with the stone neatly moved out of the way, it's time to start clearing the soil and leveling the ground. And now our ground is level and ready for the next incredibly exciting step: digging the trench foundations and starting to build our home back up.